Hey beautiful, it's June, which means I have a new monthly Stitch Fix to unbox. I am super excited. First of all, I can't even believe that it's June. Like, we are halfway into this year. That is insane. But it's summertime, and summertime is my favorite. I love the warm weather, but what I also love about summertime is the clothes. So I'm super excited to open this Stitch Fix. Now, I do know a few of the items that are in this box. If you don't know what Stitch Fix is, while I open this, I will share it with you really quick. Stitch Fix is a styling service, and you get to pick on how frequently you want your curated boxes to be sent to you. So I do mine every month, and they set you up with a stylist who handpicks items for you and sends them to you based on your style profile and all of your sizing information. Now, one of the newer things that Stitch Fix has started to offer is a Stitch Fix preview. So a few days before they are putting my box together, I get an email that says, hey, we're about to put your fix together. Would you like to do a preview? And basically they offer, I think it's like 10 to 12 different items that they send in the email, and I can choose any of those items up to 5 that I want to be included in my fix. So this is the second or third time that I've had this preview option, and I actually picked, I think it was 2 or 3 of the items for my preview to come in this fix. So every time you receive a box from Stitch Fix, it contains 5 items, and you get to pick whether that's just clothes or clothing and shoes or clothing, shoes, and accessories, whatever combination. Mine, I typically just stick with clothing and shoes. So every box you get is going to contain 5 items. So let's open this and see everything that I got for the month of June. Now, one of the reasons I love Stitch Fix so much is because it's so convenient. What you do with Stitch Fix is you try everything on, everything that you love. You keep anything you don't end up loving, you just put right into the return shipping bag that they already include here for you. It's prepaid, so you don't have to pay to return anything. You just put anything you don't love in the bag and send it back. It is seriously the easiest way to shop. And the reason I love it is because it gets me out of my comfort zone. It actually gets me to try on things that I necessarily wouldn't pick out for myself. But I can already tell I've got a few clothing items to open up and a pair of shoes, which I'm really excited about. Okay, what should we do first? Let's do the clothes. Now, what's funny is I said that I did pick out a few of the items, but I totally forgot what I picked out. So even though I know a few of them, I still feel like it's a surprise because I forget what it was that I chose. I feel like I'll know it when I see it. All right. Oh, yeah, this was one of them. I remember now. This was one of them. So cute. It's just this black t-shirt, but what I loved is it had this little like spaghetti strap detail just on the one side. So it's almost like a one shoulder, but you've still got the capped sleeve over here, but just the spaghetti strap is exposed on one side. I just loved that little detail. Thought that was super, super cute. Okay, now this one looks familiar too. This is also one of the ones that I picked out in my preview. I love this pattern, this like royal blue pattern with this bright red flowers on it, and also the back is like a crisscross like spaghetti strap. I thought it was super cute. Obviously something really nice for the hot summer months, but you could also throw like a jacket over top, and it's really actually super soft. It almost feels like a silky kind of blend. Really, really soft, lightweight. I love that. And then this is the third item that I picked. I'm remembering now. I'm really excited about this one. I was totally digging my Stitch preview this month. But seriously, how cute is this? I love the striped tops. Obviously, this was a previous Stitch Fix item, but the striped with the animal print like leopard sleeve, seriously, so cute. T-shirt. I mean, how cute is that with a pair of jeans? Let's see. Speaking of jeans, I think they sent me some. Ooh, distressed jeans. Very, very cute. Now the thing that I appreciate so much about Stitch Fix is that they get my sizing right. I'm not tall, and usually when I purchase pants, I have a hard time. Either they're too long and I have to get them hemmed, or sometimes the petites are too short, and it's just kind of not a fun experience. But Stitch Fix has nailed my sizing and got it right every single time. From jeans all the way to dress pants that I've received from Stitch Fix. In the past, I never have a sizing issue with Stitch Fix whatsoever, especially in the length. They get it spot on every single time. And all of the jeans that I've gotten in the past from Stitch Fix have been really nice quality. They've held up, they're comfortable. I've gotten, gosh, I would probably say maybe 5 or 6 pairs of jeans from Stitch Fix over the years. It could even be more, but I really, really like their jeans. All right, let's open the shoes. I have really good luck with shoes from Stitch Fix. They always send me the cutest ones. And these did not disappoint. Look at, oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Little bow detail with the sandal strap. I mean, come on. Do I really need more shoes? No, but these are just too stinking cute. I might just have to keep these. First, I paired the striped top with the animal print sleeves with the girlfriend jeans. Now, the girlfriend jeans are very, very comfortable. They're soft. They feel like they've got a little bit of stretch to them. And obviously they're distressed, which I think is super cute. I also paired it with the adorable sandals, which are very comfortable, almost like kind of like a squishy comfortable. It's got the little like strap on the back, very, very cute. I will probably be keeping the sandals. I'm definitely keeping the shirt. Not sure about the jeans. Like I said, I've not received a girlfriend style jeans from them before. And although I like the distressed part, I just feel like it kind of is not the most flattering, at least for my body shape. I feel like it just kind of makes my leg look one size and wide all the way down. Now again, I know style is changing and that could just be the new trend and the way jeans are going, but for me, I think I am more of like a flare bootleg kind of a girl. Like, give me a little bit more room and wideness at the bottom and like more shape to my leg. I think that has to do more with my height too. My legs are short, so adding a little bit more dimension on the legs I feel like is helpful, but I'm loving the shirt for sure. Now let's check on pricing. Well, this is a first. This is not my pricing card. I will have to look at my app for the pricing of the items, but I'm trying to find off of my styling card. They have the name of the item, and this top is called the Tiffany short sleeve knit top. I'm looking for that on here. I'm like, it's not here, but I'm reading through maternity nursing, maternity black detail, Belinda maternity skinny crop, and I'm like, I don't know what Stitch Fix is trying to tell me. Nothing, because this is addressed to Hi Sandra. So I got somebody else's pricing card, which is a first, but I will check my app after I record and figure out what the price is for each item. Actually, I'll record my checkout process so you can see that. I've done it in previous fixes, but I'll do it in this video so you can see how you can check out, and it'll showcase the price for each item there. Yes, please. I am here for this top. I think this top is so stinking cute. I love the blue. I love the pop of colors with the flowers. I actually think it looks really good with my lipstick color right now. That was not planned. But definitely keeping this top. I also love the detailing of the straps. I think it is so cute. This is definitely something that I would feel comfortable wearing all on its own, or again, like I said earlier, pairing it with a super cute jacket. It's definitely something like you could kind of even dress up, dress down. Very, very cute. Loving it for summer. Definitely keeping this top. And then last we have the black t-shirt top like off the shoulder with the spaghetti strap detail. I think this is really, really cute. I'd definitely be keeping this one. I think it would be adorable paired with a necklace. So definitely a win in my opinion. If you've never tried Stitch Fix before and you're like, this looks really fun, I'm telling you it is really fun. It's one of my favorite ways to shop. I will include a link in the description of this video if you want to try Stitch Fix. How Stitch Fix works is they do charge a styling fee for them to put together the box for you. But if you're brand new to Stitch Fix, you've never tried before, you can use the link in the description and they will waive your first styling fee, which means you can try Stitch Fix completely risk-free. So worst case scenario, they send you a box of 5 items, you don't like them, you return them, and you're not out anything because that styling fee was covered for you. So that link will be in the description of this video. But let's do the checkout process and see the cost of everything, and then that will help me determine if I'm gonna keep the jeans and the shoes. Let's see what the cost of everything is.
Okay, so checking out, I just opened the app, I click checkout, and here is where I go through and I rate each item. So I decide if I'm keeping or returning. I let them know what I thought of the size, the style, the fit, the cut, and the price for each and every single item. And then you can add little comments in the section for each item as well, to give them more details on why you did or didn't like it. Or I've even gone in here and asked for different colors. So if there is something that I liked but I maybe didn't like the color, I've actually gone in and said, hey, I loved this, but does it come in any other colors? And it's actually worked for me before, and they've sent me the same item in a different color in a future fix. So you can add comments for each item here individually. I personally love this rating system with Stitch Fix because I feel like this is where they really understand and get to know your personal style. And then after you've rated each item individually, you get to go here and rate the fix as a whole. And then you also get to, in this screen, decide if you're going to keep the same stylist, let Stitch Fix decide if you're going to keep the same stylist, or if you want to tell them you want a completely new stylist. And then you also can add custom feedback here about this specific fix. So here I'm letting them know that I did receive the wrong price card in the fix. Thank you for watching my June Stitch Fix unboxing. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to like and follow to see more, and leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite item was this fix.